Amid the ongoing farmers' protest, Prime Minister Modi made an unscheduled visit to the iconic Sikh shrine Gurudwara Rakhaghani. The Prime Minister paid tributes to Sikh saint Guru Tej Bahadur. Thousands of farmers have been staging a protest against the farm bills. The Farmers Union also wrote to Prime Minister Modi stating that farmers' protest is not affiliated to any political party. The union also mentioned that the centre is wrong in assuming the protests are engineered by opposition parties. As India is awaiting a COVID-19 vaccine, the country has surpassed 1 crore coronavirus cases. The Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan says the growth of the virus in India has dropped to 2%. The Health Ministry also informed that 33 states and union territories have less than 20,000 active COVID-19 cases. States such as Tamil Nadu and Kerala continue to report a high number of cases. As per ICMR, close to 16.11 crore samples have been tested up to December 19th. US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention or CDC stated they are monitoring reports of allergic reactions to the COVID-19 vaccination. Following the report, they have issued set of guidelines to the people. According to the guidelines, any person who experiences severe reactions is not recommended to take the second dose. Individuals with history of severe allergic reactions should consult their doctors before getting vaccinated. Currently, 2 vaccines have been approved in the United States under emergency use authorization. World Health Organization has released a statement over the new COVID-19 variant found in the UK. The organization says they are in close contact with the UK officials over the new variant. Further, the officials will continue to share information and results of their ongoing studies with them. A new strain of coronavirus has been identified in the country and it is found to be 70% more infectious than the deadly virus. Scientists claim that the new COVID-19 strain is not that effective and can be controlled with the help of the vaccine. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu received the coronavirus vaccine. Benjamin becomes the first Israeli to receive the vaccine. He praised the vaccination drive as a great deal for the country. The Prime Minister also pledged that 1 million doses of the vaccine will arrive by month end. The Israeli government kick-started the vaccination process with close to 4 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine in the country. Several countries, including Britain, US and Russia, have already begun the process. United Nations refused to buy Pakistan's cases of Indian powers terminating their vehicle at LAC. The vehicle was shot by an object while conducting daily monitoring activities. Except for the vehicle, both the driver and personnel remained unhurt. Earlier, Pakistan's army had released several pictures of damaged UN vehicle and claimed that it was done by Indian troops. China decided to challenge US for blacklisting 59 Chinese firms, including Semiconductor Manufacturing Corporation. The US Commerce Department has announced its move to blacklist the companies to protect their national security. The department further alleges that this move was taken due to an array of charges such as human rights violations and theft of US technology. On the other hand, China says they firmly oppose the move and vow to take necessary measures to safeguard their companies' rights. Directorate of Revenue Intelligence seized psychotropic substance methamphetamine concealed in a consignment of food items. The officials received an intelligence input about the banned substance concealed in a food item. These parcels were bound for Sydney, Australia from Hyderabad. On a careful examination of the packets, the officials found a false bottom in which the substances were wrapped with a thick black cover. Methamphetamine is also known as meth or blue ice, which is used as a party drug. Hollywood actress Katie Holmes declared her relationship with chef Emilio Vitolo Jr. on social media, wishing her on her birthday. Emilio Vitolo shared a black and white picture of the couple on Instagram. The couple was first linked together in September after they were spotted holding hands on the streets. They were often seen engaging in public display of affection in New York. Of late, Holmes has been very private about her personal life after splitting with actor Tom Cruise. Katie Holmes has a 14-year-old daughter, Suri, from her marriage with the Hollywood superstar. Argentine footballer Lionel Messi sets yet another all-time world record against La Liga side Valencia. Through his goal, Messi's records match the number of goals held by Brazilian legend Pelé. The footballer reached a new landmark after scoring his 643rd goal for Barcelona. Following the record, Brazilian footballer Pelé congratulated Lionel Messi for matching his record. The Brazilian legend had scored the same number of goals for his club Santos.